My business is growing, thank God, so that means that my space has to grow as well. So I'm looking at another apartment with more bedrooms so I am able to have a home office as well. So I have to do that. I have to do some other things, and I have like 20 million meetings today. But before I get started, I already worked out, took a shower. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I have a smoothie here. It's like mixed berry with some protein and milk and some other things. And of course I have my boiled eggs, but they're still on the stove and I don't know if I'm gonna have time to even get them before I leave. So I'm gonna check my emails and check my CRM system and make sure I have no meetings for this morning. And then we're gonna get on the road and head to the new apartment complex. Just like that, we are done. This smoothie was actually disgusting. I tried a new smoothie. Usually I'll do the strawberry banana, but this mixed berry one is like repulsive. But I have to drink it because my protein's in here. I need to get my health and proteins for the day. So I'm gonna drink it, but it's not good at all. I might wait till I get back to drink it, but I need to go see this apartment and I need to go get some type of lunch because once I start working today, I know I'm not going to be able to step away to go get my lunch. So let's go. It is freezing outside. Oh my gosh, it is freezing. I didn't know it was this cold outside. The luxury of working from home, you never really know the temperature outside until you actually step outside. I know it was pretty chilly out here, but I did not know it was this cold. I wonder how cold it is. It is 36 degrees out here. This is not normal Charlotte weather, but tomorrow it's gonna be 64 degrees. Make it make sense, North Carolina. Make it make sense. Let's roll. So just leaving the apartment, I'm very, 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 very happy. I'm gonna have a lot of space to do work, a lot of space to YouTube, a lot of space to just entertain after the pandemic. I got a lot of space. So I'm very happy. Even the leasing agency, I got a steal of a deal. So very grateful that I was able to find this. Now I have to go to my leasing office. It's always something with that apartment, but I have to go over there. I have to get a map of like the parking or whatever, and then back home. No, I have to go to the store to get some food, and then back home. Maybe I should go to the store first since I'm out. Go to the store, see how I like think out loud and map out my day. Yeah, so I need to go to the store first, and then I need to go to the leasing office, then go home. A client actually texted me and asked could we meet on Wednesday, and I have my schedule on my phone, but I was just like, when I get back to the office, i.e. my home, I'll let you know if that time works for me. So let's get it. So when I was driving to the store, I got a notification that 3 of my life insurance policies issued. 3 of my policies for my clients have issued. And as you know, if you're in insurance, you don't get paid until the policy issues. Well, at least for independent side. Sometimes the captive will give you an advance or whatever. But for me, until the policy issues, I'm not paid. So 3 policies issued. And then one of my clients texted me today. She was like, I don't know why I haven't heard from you, but then I realized I didn't text you back. And I want to go ahead and move forward with the quote that you gave me for life insurance. So that's already 1 policy in the bag for today. I have like 5 meetings today with prospects / new clients. I always call them new clients because I know that I can seal the deal. So it's been a good Monday already. I love the apartment. Policies issued, so I'm getting paid. And yeah, we just gonna keep rolling. I'm excited. That's really good news. Like, that's the best news an insurance agent can hear, is that the policy's issued and one of your prospects wants to go ahead and move forward with the quote you provided for them. And it was a nice policy as well. So happy Monday, people. Happy Monday. Nothing super exciting going on right now. The reason I don't like to leave during the day, sometimes I have to do errands like I had to do today, but when I come back, I have a trillion emails. Literally, when I opened my inbox, I had 13 new emails. So I'm gonna try to go through these emails. I actually have a few calls to make as well, and a few clients to meet with before my meetings from like 3:30 to I believe 8 o'clock tonight. So just gonna work on getting some of this stuff done, getting some of these tasks completed, getting these emails out, these quotes out, because that's what insurance is all about. So let's get to it. So one of my clients is buying a new home and her closing has been pushed back like 5 times. So I'm following up with the loan coordinator.
Hi, this is unable to take your call at this time. If you'll leave a message, I will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi Michelle, my name is Kenny from Remedy Insurance and Wealth Builders, calling in regards to my client. Just to confirm that the closing date still is for February 23rd of this year. If you could just give me a call back. Thank you and have a great one. But like I was saying, that's the loan coordinator and she is the one updating me on the date. But sometimes they don't like to answer the phone or keep you, in communication with everything. So going to send her an email as well. And hopefully I'll hear something back from her today. If not, I'll just give her a call again tomorrow and send her another email. One thing about working with some of these different loan officers or just whoever you're working with in general is to be persistent, be consistent, and don't give up. So sometimes they may not answer after the first email, first phone call. Just keep going because eventually they'll either get tired of seeing your name or maybe they just didn't see the first email. So I always send a few emails out before I have to escalate the situation or anything like that. Another thing, whenever I'm sending emails out to whoever, even if they don't email back the first time, always be super professional, always be super nice, because at the end of the day, you need them to answer these questions. So you don't ever want to come off rude or have like, a smart tone, because how in emails you can be kind of, what's the word? You can be not condescending, but you can be kind of like rare. And, you don't want to do that, especially with people that you work so closely with. So, this could definitely turn into a referral source at the end of the day. So, and also while I'm thinking, I need to reach out to the guy that helped me with my apartment tour today. He was really great, really cool guy. And he was actually the one that I talked to at the beginning when I first was interested in the apartment. And he said, today, I see you're an insurance agent. I know you know about renter's insurance. You need that. But I don't think they actually have somebody that's designated to doing their renter's insurance. I'm going to reach out to them and just see if they have anybody. If not, I would love to be their insurance provider for their apartment complex.
Are you looking for like work comp?
No, just the
or general liability.
Just the coverage for the actual like food truck she's having. She has.
And in North Carolina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. When you.
So I'm actually about to call someone, a future client. She's looking for. Thank God for my CRM system, because I don't have to remember anything in my head. When I first started, I was always trying to remember things, and as you know, as human nature, we forget things. But she's starting a food truck business, so she needs some commercial auto insurance for that, as well as a GL policy. So I'm gonna call her and explain to her what that is. And after I get off the phone with her, I'm going to take a lunch, because my next meeting after that is at 3:30. And I have some more calls to make too, in regard to like, I'm writing a policy on myself for my car insurance. So I have to give them a call as well. So I'm about to give her a call and let's get it. I'm going to go ahead and go to lunch, send her a text and an email just to follow up with her, and then go to lunch and get back on it with my day. My next client meeting is at 3:30. We actually connected originally because she's buying a home at the end of the year, but she's currently looking for commercial insurance for her spa that she owns, as well as life insurance as well. She stated her grandmother has a policy on her, but she doesn't think it's sufficient enough. So I'm gonna work on some other things before my meeting at 3:30. And because I need to definitely call the insurance company about my car insurance policy so I can go ahead and put that in place. So I'm gonna work on all of that, and then I will check back in with you guys a little later on. So she's hopping on the call early. This is my 3:30 meeting, so. Let's pull up her account while we wait. Jess got off the meeting. It's about an hour and a half. We went over her commercial insurance for her day spa. She has a great spa, as well as life insurance for her kids. So I went ahead and wrote policies for that. So it was a really, really good meeting. My next meeting is actually at 5, so I have about 30 minutes. I actually have a call to take, as well as reply to some emails that I saw come in while I was in the meeting. So gonna work on that, and then my next meeting. It's a limited pay. So basically what that means, you pay for 20 years, and then after 20 years, the policy still goes on and it keeps growing, but you're done paying because you paid so much money up front. And that's the type of policy that I have, because I didn't want to pay when I'm 50, 60, or 70 still in my life insurance policy. So as you see, the two columns that I'm going to talk about right here is the total death benefit, as well as the total cash value as well. So I'll start with the total death benefit. One more meeting to go. Sending out this email to the client, and I need to figure out what I'm eating for dinner. Okay, so the first policy, you will be paying until you're 100 years old or die, you know, whatever comes first. Usually people die before they stop paying. But in that policy, let's say you live to 105. The total amount of money that you would put into that policy, the first one is $38,715. And just like that, we are done for the day. This is another day in the life of an insurance agent, how my busy Mondays usually go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to KennyJTV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. If you want to speak with me personally, you can book a call with me, a consultation call. The link will be in the description box below. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is KennyJTV.